Okay, because whatever you eat goes down only. Okay, there is no distinction. Everybody sees the same. Yeah, I have a theory for that. Technically, what we eat and what we send out are one and the same. Agree or not? Yes?
Yes.
Content wise, nutrition wise, everything wise. And that is eatable by so many animals. Dogs eat, houseflies eat. Okay, so it is eatable. Why don't we eat?
ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ನಾಲ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ
ಅಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದ್ರೆ ರುಚಿಯಾಗಿದ್ರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಯಾರು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾಯಿಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ರುಚಿ ಇರುವಾಗ ನಾಯಿ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ನೀವು ನಾಯಿ ಸಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಎಳಿಬೇಕಂತ ಬೇಡ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾಯಿಗೆ ರುಚಿ ಇದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮಗೂ ರುಚಿ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವ? ಅಲ್ವಾ? ವೈ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಿ?
It's already been processed.
Yes.
We don't want
Okay.
it. What does
Somebody vomits, right? That has the same content as what we have eaten. Why don't we eat?
Imagine ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
We can see. You can see one dog eating that. We can only vomit and eat it back. No? Same nutrition is that. Answer me, I have a theory.
maybe psychology, something to do with that.
So we have intelligence enough to say this is not good, this is good, right? If something has fallen down, suppose you have a plate of rice, and if this rice falls on the ground, we will not eat. We don't say only one layer of rice has touched the ground, the other layer I will eat. Will we do that? No. Why? Because we have the capacity to distinguish between good and bad. Yes or no? Unlike a dog or unlike any other animal, human beings have at least the brain to distinguish between good and bad. Agreed?
Yeah.
Only in this case. Unfortunately, when it comes to money, we will eat both. Yes or no? We will not ask a single question where this money has come. Is this good money or is this bad money? So my theory is this. If all children on earth tell their parents, we are not going to eat contaminated money, we can totally eradicate corruption. That's my belief. Okay, at least as children, will you take a oath? Yes or no?
You sure?
Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So if you do that, nobody will corrupt. See, no parent would want so many crores, because the first thing they say is, why do you want so many crores? They say, oh, I have to give to my children. As if the children are going to eat crores of rupees. Nobody can eat crores of rupees, let me tell you. Whatever money you have got, you have to eat chitrana only. And chitrana cannot cost 1 crore rupees. So, unfortunately, even being human beings, we don't distinguish between good money and bad money, which is why bad money is more in the market than the good money. This is the cause for corruption. So, this is what I tell women also. If all women say, I am not going to prepare food for my children with contaminated money, no man is going to become corrupt. This was there in our culture once upon a time. But today, women have become corrupt. That's the worst part. So this is one thing. Why I am telling this is, we have to use our intelligence. Our intelligence, see, we have got so much of intelligence to make a judgment as to what is good and what is bad. In one, if we can make distinction, why can't we make distinction in another? In food we can make distinction because we can afford to throw the food. We don't make distinction in money because we don't want to throw the money. Because we ask so many things from our parents, they think that they can even do corruption and then bring us money. Because we, as children, let me tell you one thing, children today are corrupted from my point of view, unlike children of those days. Because even I have seen children treating their parents according to the money. If the parents have enough money, they treat their parents in a different way. If the parents have less money, they say, what is the use? You are such like. This has come to the culture today. This was not there once upon a time. Even beggars, the beggar's son will treat his father like a god. He will not say you are a beggar. That was the time. Now, no. All parents are judged. You always compare yourself with your friend. If your friend has got an iPad, and if your father doesn't get you that more sophisticated iPad, you sell off your father, a useless father. This is why parents get correct. If you say, I can, you get isolated. I know how difficult it is. The moment you don't have a sophisticated mobile, others will not talk to you. But if you can stand against it, a lot of people will join you. Problem is we get yielded to it. There are a lot more people like you who cannot afford it. Why don't you go in such jobs? Today's generation is to, everybody should treat me properly. So, the majority will pull you. So you get corrupted. Because you are corrupted, your parents are corrupted. Because the parents are corrupted, whole society is corrupted. Who will suffer later? We and our own children. Are you following this? This is education. This is what should be imparted in every school. But take it from me, I will be the first and the last person to tell you.